The elders speak and nobody rush. Only the river break the ocean. Smoke curls slow to the star-filled sky, while cedar branch sway close by. Remember the mountain, remember the sea. Them keep your soul forever free. Take where you need, leave life to grow. Respect the breeze, soft to blow. The young one listen, eye them bright, holding every word tonight. Every heartbeat move as one, beneath the moon and setting sun. When the elders speak, open up your heart. When the elders speak, wisdom always starts. When the elders speak, river answer to. When the elders speak, truth come shining through. Them tell go river born from rain. Oh, every season come again. Them tell about fish beneath the tide, and mountains standing full of pride. Them point for the cotton tree, roots run deeper than you see. Them bless the child and bless the land, with gentle voice and weather down. No writing they palm back, not stone. Still every lesson deeply known. Memory living, sound and flame. Generation guarding it. When the elders speak, open up your heart. When the elders speak, wisdom always starts. When the elders speak, river answer to. When the elders speak, truth comes shining through. Cricket keep them steady right, marking out the passing time. Firefly dance beside the stream, lighting up each hopeful dream. Blue mountain where a silver crown, peaceful silence settle down. Young hunter boy mumble it, treasure every word them say. Every child become one guy, if truth remain always inside. The stars above bear silent witness to the promise of togetherness. Knowledge can buy, nature always give.
If you're ready to receive,
River, remember,
forest know,
and loving roots will always grow. When the elders speak, lift your spirit high.
when the elders speak,
Truth no never die.
when the elders speak,
Mountain chant along,
when the elders speak,
life become one song.
when the elders speak,
Sea and breeze agree,
when the elders speak,
keep with history. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The fire burn low, the children smile, elders close their eyes, far inside the cave. Ancient markings catch the morning light. Tomorrow, the old stories will be carved into memory for generations yet unborn. Morning breeze never feel the same. Seabird wheel but them quiet and on the far blue line we see meet sky. Somebody point, look there. White shape rise with the wind. Strange sail show on the horizon line. bright like cloud in the morning shine. Oh, can't stop, paddle. Every eye turn toward the west. Sea breeze carry unknown scent. No soul, no what the sign them meant. Blue mountain silent, watching still. River flow down from the hill. Children wander, elders pray. Jah guide me through this coming day. Grab by deep beneath the store. Even seabird change them too. She macabre, soft and slow, like the island somehow know. Strange sails on the horizon, floating with the morning sun. Strange sails on the horizon, something new Africa. Strange sails on the horizon, sea keep every mystery. Strange sails on the horizon, what is future? I go be. The fire still burn by the day. People work like any day. Net them end and cassava bake. River still feed every day. Yet every breeze carry one car. Quiet shadow over all. Elder trace one ancient sign. On smooth caves stone through passing time. All the roots the old man said, no make fear take them away. Cotton trees stand tall and wide, still protecting countryside. Nature sing but deep and low. Question rest on every bro. Strange sails on the horizon, floating with the morning sun. Strange sails on the horizon, something new Africa. Strange sails on the horizon, sea keep every mystery. Strange sails on the horizon, what is future? I go be. Moonrise early, pale and round. Silver wash the sacred ground. Don't one ask who cross the sea. All one answer, wait and see. Wave keep rolling shore to shore, like it always did before. But every heartbeat feel the tide, turning slowly from inside. Forest whisper through the vine, every season carry sign. River murmur low and deep, while the village barely sleep. Stars alone know what come next, hidden in a time zone text. Wind can't stop, sea can't wait. Every journey meeting fate. All compassion, all your name. Morning never come the same. Mountain witness, ocean love. Time alone reveal the road. Strange sails on the horizon, closer than them seen before. Strange sails on the horizon, moving toward the shore. Strange sails on the horizon, sky and sea grow still. Strange sails on the horizon, waiting on Jah will. Strange sails on the horizon, ancient island stand. Strange sails on the horizon, near the promised land. The drum grow quiet, the breeze stop for one moment. White shield bigger now. Every elder stand, every child watch, and the first meeting between two worlds. Drive on the earth, but the breeze don't change. The sea hold one silence. The mountain keep watch, and every heartbeat know tomorrow will never be the same. Moon still walk with the evening tide. Elder gates cross the restless sea, seeing things the youth can't see. Cotton trees sway soft and slow, like it whisper what it know. Bird them quiet in a nest, even breeze refuse to rest. Blue mountain very misty crown, watching stars fade one by one. Every canoe pull high and dry, every soul look to the sky. See a maca breathe one patient sigh. As morning gather night, tomorrow will never be the same. Still we carry our holy flame. Tomorrow will never be the same. Yet we honor every name. Tomorrow will never be the same. River still I go find the sea. Tomorrow will never be the same. But the roots live endlessly. Pick me wake before the sun. Wonder why the birds not run. Fisherman make the net in peace. Still the stillness never cease. Woman feel the calabash slow, listening to the breeze below. Old drum rest beside the fire, waiting for one final fire. River sing the ancient rhyme, holding fast to sacred time. Forest wrap the hills in green, guarding all that it have seen. Every stone and every tree, keep them all memory. Tomorrow will never be the same. Still we carry our holy flame. Tomorrow will never be the same. Yet we honor every name. Tomorrow will never be the same. River still I go find the sea. Tomorrow will never be the same. But the roots live endlessly. Far out where the ocean shine, white sail touch the morning line. No anger yet, no fear declare. Only questions fill the air. Sea breeze carry stranger song, floating soft the whole day long. Elder bow in weather, remember every word we say. All compassion, all your way. No man on tomorrow day. Mountain stand, though storm may blow. River always onward flow. Hope and sorrow walk as one. Greeting now the rising sun. History turn like riverbed. Every beginning hide one end. Watch a plan can never fade. Though shadow fall and light be delayed. Remember the forest, remember the stream, remember the people, remember the dream. Hey, tomorrow will never be the same. Still the spirit can't be tamed. Tomorrow will never be the same. Love remain through joy and pain. Tomorrow will never be the same. Mountain strong and ocean free. Tomorrow will never be the same. Same live eternally. Tomorrow will never be the same. Still remember, still we endure, still we sing. The first year draw close enough to cast a shadow. The elder close his eyes. The child take one step forward. And the story of one island prepare fi enter. Prepare fi enter. Long before name did write on stone, before map no sea and shore, the breeze did carry ancient story, and the river did remember more. No kingdom mark, no boundary line, only sky, sea, mountain and time. Listen where the island spirit a call. Before time remember the sunrise bright, and blue mountain top in a morning light. River them run with a ancient song, teach every valley fi stay strong. Breadfruit no day, cane no grow, only wild breeze with gentle blow. Seabird wheel high above Crystal Bay, monkeys water at end of day. Big cotton tree stretch to the sky, rain wash earth till cloud pass by. Every leaf no jam mystery, every stone keep memory. Nature alone did beat the drum before mankind ever come. Before time remember, hear the breeze still sing. Before time remember, yeah, creation ring. Mountain keep watch, river still flow. Ancient heartbeat, everybody know. Before time remember, sky so high, sea embrace the island side. Everything quiet, everything free. The first chapter of destiny. Morning mist roll across the hillside green, purest beauty ever seen. Turtle glide through quiet sea, fish dance deep in harmony. Paracal from forest crown, waterfall never slow down. Every breeze carry living breath, every sunrise conquer death. No road cut the mountain face, every valley keep it grace. Holy stars and moon above, wrap the whole earth up in love. The island wait with patient soul, till history begin unfold. Before time remember, hear the breeze still sing. Before time remember, hear creation ring. Mountain keep watch, river still flow. Ancient heartbeat, everybody know. Before time remember, sky so high, sea embrace the island side. Everything quiet, everything free. The first chapter of destiny. Night breeze cool pan ocean foam, every shoreline feel like home. Firefly glow through bush and vine, like little lantern soft and fine. Moon draw silver upon everywhere, light every cave creation gave. The earth beats slow, steady and deep. Rock them ancient promise keep. Love I speak, but nature know when fi rest and when fi go. Every heartbeat get unborn, wait fi green. soon come cross the sea. The island ready, spirit strong, waiting patient long. Footsteps soon I go touch this sun and change forever this blessed land. Before time remember, hear the breeze still sing. Before time remember, hear creation ring. Mountain keep watch, rivers still flow. Ancient heartbeats everybody know. Before time remember, the sky so wide, sea embrace the island side. The story open, age unfold, ancient truths for young and old. Moon still shine on silent shore. Rivers still sing forevermore. Oh, but far beyond the endless sea, another seal prepare for thee. The wind already know the name, and tomorrow never stay the same.
Jamaica, green from mountain crown. Miss rock the hillside up and down. Clear spring bubble from stone soul. More precious far than a silver or gold. Our cedar sweat when breeze pass through. Blue sky paint every morning you. Parrot fly across the jungle eye. Cloud them drift through peaceful sky. Big river called the valley deep, where turtle and the fish them sleep. Every waterfall sing your praise, shining through the morning haze. The whole creation know one song. Say this blessed place belongs. Jamaica, land of wood and water, river run forever, mountains stand forever. Heartbeat slow and free. Nature keep the story long before history. Morning sun kiss the rocky shore. Sea wave knock on reef once more. Mangrove root, oh, coastal sand, holding tight the precious land. While orchid bloom in a hidden place, every flower show your grace. Firefly dance when daylight fade. Moonlight cover every glade. The breeze know every secret trail. Every bird, every turkey shell. No one divine, no fear remain. Only sunshine after rain. Every heartbeat move as one. And the moon and burning sun. Land of wood and water, river run forever, mountains stand forever. Jamaica, heartbeat slow and free. Nature keep the story long before history. Ancient breeze carry promise near. Something changing soon appear. Seabirds circle far the west, like them searching place for rest. Ocean whisper, soft and low. Tide know things we never know. Forest listen, river wait. Time I walk to our destiny gate. Evening them resting. Every valley standing still. Earth remember every sign. Keeping ancient sacred time. Island spirit strong and wise. Watching every sunrise. Know every journey start with feet. Some begin with ocean.
ocean meet. The wind already changed its song. Something new I come along. Skill the mountain, never fear. Skill the river, crystal clear. Jamaica, hold our spirit true. No matter what the world may do. Jamaica, land of wood and water. River sing forever. Ocean flow forever. Jamaica, heartbeat deep and free. Nature write the first page of eternity. Jamaica, all your beauty high. Mountain touch the heavens. River kiss the sky. Far beyond the endless blue, small canoe them coming view. The seabird wheel, the breeze grows still, and the island draw one deeper breath. And new people soon go call this land home.
Canoe cut slow through crystal blue. Ancient footsteps find land anew. The island welcome with open sky. And the first voices rise. Them paddles off with sunrise glow. Follow current, only them know. Salt breeze kiss them weathered face, giving thanks for this blessed place. Picnic laugh on sandy bay. Watch the seabird wheel and play. Mountain call from misty crown. River sing as sun come down. Barefoot print on untouched sand. Gentle and greet gentle and every heartbeat find one home. Never more we drift and roll. Jah light warm the earth below, and hope begin to root and grow. Children of the sun, together as one. Walk with the morning till setting sun. Children of the sun, hearts beat free. One with the mountain, one with the sea. Children of the sun, chant and rejoice. Nature answer every voice. Children of the sun, life begun under the light of the golden sun. Them build small fire beside the stream. Smoke rise slow like peaceful dream. Stone and wood become them guide. Forest bounty them on every side. Fruit them gather, fish them share. Every meal begin with prayer. Children learn the river song. Know each pathway all along. Moonlight dance pan quiet eye. Stars become them Nike guide. Every elder pass on truth. Shape the heart of every youth. Love and labor hand in hand. Growing strong beside the land. Children of the sun, together as one. Walk with the morning till setting sun. Children of the sun, hearts beat free. One with the mountain, one with the sea. Children of the sun, chant and rejoice. Nature answer every voice. Children of the sun, life begun under the light of the golden sun.
and remember every day. Though tomorrow bring you change, hold the roots, hold them tight. Them a go guide through darkest night. Children of the sun, together as one, walk with the morning till setting sun. Children of the sun, hearts beat free, one with the mountain, one with the sea. Children of the sun, voices rise, meet the earth and meet the skies. Children of the sun, forever strong. Say what can sing the ancient song. Fire burn low, the stars keep watch, the rivers still remember, and from the circle of the endless, one young hunter lifting hands toward the hills. A new story soon begins.
Rivers still a flow from the mountain up to the waiting sea. Generation follow generation, and every ripple carry one memory. Come, make we walk with the water. Old man sit with the faithful guide. Woman fill calabash clean and cool. Nature teaching at every school. Bird them beard when the sun climb high. Cloud them drift through the open sky. Every current know if we go. Just let the path way long ago. The river feed both root and tree, and carry life to the endless sea. River of life, keep on flow. Carry with spirit wherever you go. River of life, clear and deep. Hold every promise you always keep. River of life, cool and free. Run from the mountain to the sea. River of life, guide we way from dawning light till closing day. Bamboo-lean when the breeze pass by. Dragonfly dance beneath the sky. While young grow where the water bed. Every season bring new friend. Fish sleep high in a morning glow. Following current soft and slow. Footprint fresh on the muddy shore. Tell all stories without one word. Every family gathered here. Share them all this year by year. Eyes up with the evening flame. Every voice called your holy name. River listen, river know. Everything reap from where you sow. River of life, keep on flow. Carry with spirit wherever you go. River of life, clear and deep. Hold every promise you always keep. River of life, cool and free. Run from the mountain to the sea. River of life, guide we way from dawning light till closing day. Moonlight beat the river white. Silver ribbon through the night. Firefly lantern blink and gleam. Like stars float upon the stream. Children hear the elders speak. Wisdom strong yet humble me. Every ripple teach one truth. Feed the elders shed beam. Mountain watch from high above. Rock the valley up in love. Nature sing with one accord. Every heartbeat of the light. Please forgive, show the people how feel it. Water can't keep still too long, yet every turn become one song. What passed today still leave a sign. In deep in Jah one time, they'll remember every face, every blessing, every grace. And the river quiet, you know. More footsteps soon ago. River of life, keep on flow. Carry with spirit wherever you go. River of life, strong and free. Bind the mountain to the sea. River of life, pure and bright. Guide me through the dark and light. River of life, ancient stream. Carry forward every dream. River of life, never cease, never dry, forever flow. The current move, the breeze reply. One on to stop and lift the mind. Deep in the forest, one trail unseen, one mystery still waiting. Tomorrow, the people follow the mountain path. Blue Mountain, stand before the dawn. Miswrap every peak like ancient road. The river point the way, and the people follow. Every footstep closer to the heart of Jamaica. Yeah. Under the blue mountain, cool breeze blow. Ancient pathway only elder know. Morning dew on every fern leaf shine. Everything moving a Jah own time. Hunter tread with quiet feet. Forest heartbeat steady beat. Parrot call from cedar high. Cloud them drift across the sky. While orchid bloom beside the stone. Every hillside feel like home. Clear spring bubble from the earth below. Feed the roots where tall tree grow. The mountain shelter every clan. Long before the mark of man. Under the blue mountain, where the cool breeze sing. Under the blue mountain, life begin for spring. Under the blue mountain, river find the sea. Under the blue mountain, spirit walk free. Children gather where the stream run clear. Laugh and splash without no fear. In the carve new calabash bowl, teaching wisdom soul to soul. Smoke rise slow from evening fire. Carry chant a little lighter. Every drum beat soft and deep. Wake the valley from its sleep. Breadfruit shade grow broad and wide. River faithful by its side. Make the mountain teach we still. Strength come quiet, never kill. Nature right with leaf and rain. Every season come again. Under the blue mountain, where the cool breeze sing. Under the blue mountain, life begin for spring. Under the blue mountain, river find the sea. Under the blue mountain, spirit walk free. Moon climb slow above the ridge. Silver light on every bridge. Firefly flow through bamboo lane. Promise after every rain. Old story sunrise will be safe. The island blessed with peace and grace. Carried a sacred place. Deep inside each beating heart, them know this journey just a start. Mountain never boast nor cry, still it reach toward the sky. River never lose its way, though we travel night and day. Roots grow deeper every year, because love and faith live here. Still the breeze brings sign unseen, another chapter way between. Under the blue mountain, where the cool breeze sing. Under the blue mountain, oh forever spring. Under the blue mountain, strong as ancient tree. Under the blue mountain, home of liberty. Under the blue mountain, river chant along. Under the blue mountain, earth become one song. Mist still cover every eye. The fire burn low into the night. One elder point toward the first cave. Hear the drum inside the stone. Hear the spirit of the first people. Tomorrow, the old stories become sacred memories. For us, before the dawn, Miss Robbie cedar, the mahogany, the cotton tree. No vice, no, only leaf and breeze. And the old people bow them head, the hear where the forest know. Deep in the woodland, cool breeze glide. The ancient shadow walk side by side. Morning dew upon every vine. Everything moving at your own time. All seal cotton touch the sky. Watch the eagle wheeling high. River whisper across the stone. Tell say nobody walk alone. Lizard bounce pan warm rock face. Every creature know them place. Parrot carry cola bright. Cross the valley into light. Forest deep, what man can see. Ancient truth for you and me. Spirit of the forest, whisper low. Teach we where we walk and grow. Spirit of the forest, calm and wise, living underneath the sky. Spirit of the forest, strong and free, guard the hill and guard the tree. Spirit of the forest, guide we so, keep we out forever. One more step we don't be peace. Never rush the sacred place. Every footprint leave respect. Nature always give protect. Healing leaf and root them grow. Elder alone the pathway know. Smoke curl from evening flame. Every prayer call your name. Children learn from bird and stream. More than any spoken dream. Monkey chatter far away. Greeting every brand new day. Life on earth together stand. One spill through bamboo leaves. Silver thread the darkness weave. Firefly lantern softly glow. Lighting parts the air that's low. Mountain echo drum beat deep, while the valley rests to sleep. Every root embrace the grove. Ancient blessing all around. Rainfall gentle through the trees. Carry life upon the breeze. The whole island breathe as one. Under moon and rising sun. Every season pass along. Yet the forest keep it sound. Listen close. No fear there. Remember yesterday, every river, no tomorrow. What we honor, we'll honor we. Whisper low, guide the place where rivers flow. Spirit of the forest, ancient flame, every generation know your name. Spirit of the forest, deep and free, heartbeat of say. Spirit of the forest, all we fast, joining future to the past. Spirit of the forest, ever living, ever watching, ever near. The breeze carry one new scent. The elder lift him eyes toward the sea. Far beyond the horizon, cloud gather over the water. The island still at peace, but the wind bring news from distant land. Before the sun climb over the hill, the ocean like quiet, calm and still. First canoe slide out with care, salt breeze whisper through the air. Hand-carved paddles strong and true, follow stars and morning dew. Pelican glide so high above, guide the way with patient love. Clear blue water deep and bright, silver fish flashing a light. No greed hiding on no hand, holy thanks to sea and land. Every catch a blessing come, share between the old and young. First fisherman steady and wise, read the sea beneath the skies. First fisherman patient soul, sea and river make them whole. First fisherman born and free, children of eternity. First fisherman chant and sing, give thanks for everything. Shine below, where gentle tides forever flow. Sea turtle drift with peaceful grace, dolphin leap in an open space. Conch shell call from rocky shore, bring time home. Smoke rise slow from a cooking fire, voices lift a little higher. Pick me run on sandy beach, learning all the sea can teach. Every elder, though the tide, moon and current side by side. Jah provide with open hand, life abundant through the land. First fisherman steady and wise, read the sea beneath the skies. First fisherman patient soul, fishermen chant and sing, give thanks for everything. Evening create the western sea, gold and crimson endlessly. Can you return grateful song? Every family sing along. River meet the ocean wide, fresh and salt flow side by side. Firelight dance pan weathered face, every smile reflect your grace. Drum beat cook soft and deep, while the children drift to sleep. Stars arrive one after one, watching till another sun. Sea and mountain, sky and the shore, bind the people evermore. Sea no belong to man, man belong to Jah's great land. Take what you need, leave life figure, so tomorrow still I go flow. Every member, every name, though each sunrise look the same. Respect the sea, respect the time, and Jah will always be God. First fisherman, heart so free, living by the endless sea. First fisherman, calm and strong, ocean sing the ancient song. First fisherman, hand in hand, blessed by sea and blessed land. First fisherman, voices rise under everlasting skies. First fisherman, give thanks today, give thanks always, give thanks to Jah. It can pull light on the shore, the stars keep watch once more, but beyond the reef, beyond the morning tide, young eyes begin to wander inland, toward the caves, toward the hills, where all the secrets still remain. Moon climb slope on Jamaica, silver light wash mountain and sea. The fire burn low, the drum beat soft, and every heart turn upward, as creation keeps silent watch. Moon over Jamaica bright and clear, shine pon the people we gather near. Silver river sparkle like polished glass, cool night breeze through the tall wild grass. Canoe rest easy beside the shore, sea sing sweeter than before. Cotton tree cast shadow long, cricket answer with humble song. Blue mountain high beneath white mist, every leaf where moonlight kiss. Children sleep while elders pray, giving thanks for another day. Jah light cover earth and sky, watching every soul nearby. Moon over Jamaica, shine so bright tonight. Moon over Jamaica, guide me with your light. Moon over Jamaica, mountain, sea and tree. Moon over Jamaica, watch over we. Firefly dance through bamboo lane, silver drops from evening rain. River murmur soft and low, ancient stories still aflow. Woman on one gentle
gentle tune underneath the faithful moon. Caressing both sides, satisfied with your provide. All glide quiet through the trees, carried by the cooling breeze. Every heartbeat calm and slow, moving where the tide them go. Peace settled upon every face, wrapping all in gentle grace. Moon over Jamaica, shine so bright tonight. Moon over Jamaica, guide me with your light. Moon over Jamaica, mountain, sea and tree. Moon over Jamaica, watch over me. Old man pine toward the sky, tell you to watch and try. Stars tell season, moon tell time. Jolly wisdom far and wide. Forest breathe without a sound, sacred life in all around. Seashell whisper at the sun, everywhere bless the land. Morning always follow down, hope live inside every spark. Generation after one, still give thanks for moon and sun. Every child inherit more than gold could ever store. Moon can't speak, still it teach. River can't write, still it preach. Nature to the oldest page, long before the modern age. Hold the blessing, hold it here. Tomorrow journey drawing near. Moon over Jamaica, shine forever bright. Moon over Jamaica, guard me through the night. Moon over Jamaica, mountain, sea and tree. Moon over Jamaica, home of harmony. Ancient land and I, moon over Jamaica, watching from the sky. The fire turn them back, you see keep breathing. The moon sinks slowly toward the west. An elder trace over markings upon a suitcase snow, and the children lean closer, ready for you, the first stories, written without words.
The moon still linger upon the western hill. The campfire closer. The picnic gather in a one circle. The elders raise them voice, not fi come out, but fi remember. Hey. Oh yeah. The elders speak and nobody rush. Only the river break the ocean. Smoke curls slow to the star-filled sky, while cedar branch sway close by. Remember the mountain, remember the sea. Them keep your soul forever free. Take where you need, leave life to grow. Respect the breeze when softly blow. The young one listen, I am bright, holding every word tonight. Every heartbeat move as one beneath the moon and setting sun. When the elders speak, open up your heart.
When the elders speak,
Wisdom always start.
the elders speak,
River answer to
the elders speak,
truth come shining through. Them tell about river born from rain. Oh, every season come again. Them tell about fish beneath the tide and mountains standing full of pride. Them pine for the cotton tree. Roots run deeper than you see. Them bless the child and bless the land with gentle voice and weather down. No writing there on bark nor stone. Still every lesson deeply known. Memory living, sound and flame. Generation guarding it. When the elders speak, open up your heart.
The elders speak.
Wisdom always start.
The elders speak.
River answer to.
The elders speak.
Truth comes shining through. Cricket keep them steady right, marking out the passing time. Firefly dance beside the stream, lighting up each hopeful dream. Blue mountain wear a silver crown, peaceful silence settle down. You want a boy mumble head, treasure every word them say. Every child become one guy. If truth remain always inside, the stars above be a silent witness to the promise of togetherness. Knowledge can buy, nature always give.
If you're willing to receive,
River, remember,
forest know.
and loving roots will always grow. When the elders speak, lift your spirit high. Truth no never die. Mountain chant along. Life become one song. Sea and breeze agree. Keep we history. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The fire burn low. The children smile. The elders close their eyes. Far inside the cave, ancient markings catch the morning light. Tomorrow, the old stories will be carved into memory for generations yet unborn. Morning breeze never feel the same. Seabird wheel, but them quiet and low. On the far blue line, we see meet sky. Somebody's point. Look there. White shape rise with the wind. Strange sail show on the horizon line. Bright like cloud in the morning shine. Whole cannot stop, body rest. Every eye turn toward the west. Sea breeze carry on nonsense. No soul know what the sign them meant. Blue mountain silent, watching still. River flow down from the hill. Children wonder, elders pray. Jah guide me through this coming day. Crab I deep beneath the storm. Even seabird change them too. Jamaica breathe, soft and slow, like the island somehow low. Strange fish on the horizon, floating with the morning sun. Strange sails on the horizon, something new off it come.
Strange sails on the horizon.
See, keep every mystery.
Strange sails on the horizon.
What is future? I go be. The fire still burn by day. People work like any day. Net them in and cassava bake. River still feed every day. Yet every breeze carry one car. Quiet shadow over all. Elder trace one ancient sign. On smooth caves stone through passing time. All the roots, the old man said, no make fear take them away. Cotton trees stand tall and wide, still protecting countryside. Nature sing but deeper now. Question respond every bro.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Floating with the morning sun.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Something new have come.
Strange sails on the horizon.
See, keep every mystery.
Strange sails on the horizon.
What is future? I go be. Moonrise early, pale and round. Silver wash the sacred ground. Don't wanna ask who cross the sea. Hold one answer, wait and see. Wave keep rolling shore to shore, like it always did before. But every heartbeat feel the tide, turning slowly from inside. Forest whisper to divine. Every season carries sign. River murmur low and deep, while the village barely sleep. Stars alone know what come next, hidden in a time zone text. Wind can't stop, sea can't wait. Every journey meeting fate. All compassion, all your name. Morning never come the same. Mountain witness, ocean know. Time alone reveal the road.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Closer than them seen before.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Moving toward the shore.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Sky and sea grow still.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Waiting on Jah will.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Ancient island stand.
Strange sails on the horizon.
Near the promised land. The drum grow quiet. The breeze stop it one moment. White shield bigger now. Every elder stand. Every child watch. And the first meeting between two worlds. Drive near. But the breeze don't change. See old man silence. The mountain keep watch, and every heartbeat know tomorrow will never be the same. La 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 la. Yeah. Last fire glow on the riverside. Moon still walk with the evening tide. Elder gates cross the restless sea. Seeing things the youth can't see. Cotton trees sway, soft and slow, like it whisper, but it know. Bird them quiet in a nest. Even breeze refuse to rest. Blue mountain yet we honor every name. Tomorrow will never be the same. Rivers still I go find the sea. Tomorrow will never be the same. But the roots live endlessly. Make me wake before the sun. Wonder why the birds no run. Fisherman mend the net in peace. Still the stillness never cease. Woman feel the calabash slow, listening to the breeze below. Old drum rest beside the fire, waiting for one final choir. River sing the ancient rhyme, holding fast to sacred time. Forest wrap the hills in green, guarding all that it have seen. Every stone and every tree, keep them on memory. Tomorrow will never be the same. Still we carry our holy flame. Tomorrow will never be the same. Yet we honor every name. Tomorrow will never be the same. Rivers still I go find the sea. Tomorrow will never be the same. But the roots live endlessly. Far out where the ocean shine, white sail touch the morning line. No anger yet, no fear declare. Only questions fill the air. Sea breeze carry stranger song, floating soft the whole day long. Held above in weather, remember every word he said. All compassion, all your way. No man on tomorrow day. Mountains stand, though storm may blow. River always onward flow. Hope and sorrow walk as one. Greeting now the rising sun. History turns like riverbed. Every beginning hide one end. Watch a plan can never fail. Though shadow fall and light be delayed. Remember the forest, remember the stream, remember the people, remember the dream. Hey, tomorrow will never be the same. Still the spirit can. Tomorrow will never be the same. Love remain true, joy and pain. Tomorrow will never be the same. Mountain strong and ocean free. Tomorrow will never be the same. Same I can live eternally. Tomorrow will never be the same. Still we remember, still we endure, still we sing, still we sing. It don't look breaking. The first sail draw close enough because a shadow. The elder closing eyes. The child take one step forward. And the story of one island prepare to enter. Prepare to enter. Long before name did right past stone, before map no sea and shore, the breeze did carry ancient story, and the river did remember more. No kingdom mark, no boundary line, Only sky, sea, mountain and time. Listen well, the island spirit a call. Before time remember the sunrise bright on Blue Mountain top in a morning light. River them run with the ancient song. Teach every valley to stay strong. Breadfruit no day, cane no grow. Only wild breeze with gentle blow. Seabird wheel high above crystal day. Monkeys water at end of day. Big cotton tree stretched to the sky. Rain wash earth till cloud pass by. Every leaf no jam mystery. Every stone keep memory. Nature alone did beat the drum. Before mankind ever come. Before time remember. Yeah, the breeze still sing. Before time remember. Yeah, creation ring. Mountain keep watch. River still flow. Ancient heartbeat everybody know. Before time remember. Sky so high. See embrace the island side. Everything quiet. Everything free. The first chapter of destiny. Morning mist roll across the hillside green. Purest beauty ever seen. Turtle glide through quiet sea. Fish dance deep in harmony. Paracal from forest crown. Waterfall never slow down. Every breeze carry living breath. Every sunrise conquer death. No road cut the mountain face. Every valley keep it grace. Only stars unknown above. Wrap the whole earth up in love. The island wait with patient soul. Till history begin unfold. Before time remember. Hear the breeze still sing. Before time remember. Hear creation ring. Mountain keep watch. River still flow. Ancient heartbeat everybody know. Before time remember. Sky so high. Sea embrace the island side. Everything quiet. Everything free. The first chapter of destiny. Night breeze cool pan ocean foam. Every shoreline feel like home. Firefly glow through bush and vine. Like little lantern soft and fun. Moon draw silver pan everywhere. Light every cave creation gate. The earth beats slow, steady and deep. Rock them ancient promise keep. Love I speak but nature know. When fi rest and when fi grow. Every heartbeat get unborn. Wait fi green another dawn. So hold the story in your heart. Every ending is a start. Doing a whisper through the tree. Watch where soon come across the sea. The island ready, spirit strong. Waiting patient all along. Footsteps soon I go touch this sun. And change forever this blessed land. Before time remember. Hear the breeze still sing. Before time remember. Hear creation ring. Mountain keep watch. River still flow. Ancient heartbeat everybody know. Before time remember. Sky so high. See embrace the island side. The story open. Age unfold. Ancient truth for young and old. Moon still shine on silent shore. River still sing forever. Oh,
but far beyond the endless sea, another sea we keep feeling. The wind already know the name, and tomorrow never stay the same.
Jamaica, green from mountain crown. Miss Rob the hillside up and down. Clear spring bubble from stone soul. More precious far than silver or gold. I see that sweat when breeze pass through. Blue sky paint every morning you. Parrot fly across the jungle high. Cloud them drift through peaceful sky. Big river carve the valley deep, where turtle and the fish them sleep. Every waterfall sing your praise, shining through the morning haze. The whole creation know one song, says blessed place belongs. Jamaica, land of wood and water, river run forever, mountain stand forever. Jamaica, heartbeat slow and free. Nature keep the story long before history. Morning sun kiss the rocky shore. Sea wave knock on the reef and smoke. Mangrove root up coastal sand, holding tight the precious land. While orchid bloom in a hidden place, every flower show your grace. Firefly dance when daylight fades. Moonlight cover every glade. The breeze know every secret trail. Every bird, every turkey shell. No one divine, don't fear regret. Only sunshine after rain. Every heartbeat move as one, under moon and burning sun. Shema, land of wood and water, river run forever, mountains stand forever. Shema, heartbeat slow and free. Nature keep the story long before history. Ancient breeze carry promise near. Something changing soon appear. Seabirds circle far the west, like them searching place to rest. Ocean whisper soft and low. I know things we never know. Forest listen, river wait. Time I walk our destiny. Evening mist them resting. Every valley standing still. Earth remember every sign. Keeping ancient sacred time. Island spirit strong and wise. Watching every sunrise. Know every journey start with feet. Some begin with ocean meet. The wind already changed its song. Something new I come along. Still the mountain never fear. Still the river crystal clear. Jamaica, hold our spirit true. No matter what the world may do. Jamaica, land of wood and water, river sing forever, ocean flow forever. Jamaica, heartbeat deep and free. Nature write the first page of eternity. Jamaica, hold your
small can know them coming here. The seabird will, the breeze grows still, and the island draw one deeper breath. And new people soon go call this land home.
Blue cut slow through crystal blue. Ancient footsteps find land and the island welcome with open sky. And the first voices rise. Them paddles off with sunrise glow. Follow current only them know. Salt breeze kiss them with that face, giving thanks for this blessed place. Pick me laugh on sandy bay. Watch the seabird read and play. Mountain call from misty crown. River sing as sun come down. Hear footprint pan untouched sand. Gentle and greet, gentle and every heartbeat find one hope. Never more feet drift and roll. Jah light warm the earth below, and hope begins to root and grow. Children of the sun, together as one. Walk with the morning till setting sun. Children of the sun, hearts beat free. One with the mountain, one with the sea. Children of the sun, chant and rejoice. Nature answer every voice. Children of the sun, life begun under the light of the golden sun. Them build small fire beside the stream. Smoke rise slow like peaceful dream. Stone and wood become them guide. Forest bounty them on every side. Fruit them gather, fish them share. Every meal begin with prayer. Children learn the river song. Know each pathway all along. Moonlight dance pan quiet time. Stars become them Nike guides. Every elder pass on truth. Shape the heart of every youth. Love and labor hand in hand. Growing strong beside the land. Children of the sun, together as one. Walk with the morning till setting sun. Children of the sun, hearts beat free. One with the mountain, one with the sea. Children of the sun, chant and rejoice. Nature answer every voice. Children of the sun, life begun under the light of the golden sun. Season current, peace remain. River carry life again. Forest teach true leaf and vine. Everything moving in your time. Big drum echo cross the hill. Evening breeze blow soft as still. Sacred stories circle fire. Lift the soul a little higher. Children watch the eagle fly. Wonder what beyond the sky. Still them know deep in our soul. Earth and people make one whole. Say mark a smile through morning dew. Holding every life anew. Every seed become one tree. Every river meet the sea. Every elder once was you. Passing on the ancient truth. The land remember every name. Though tomorrow bring new change. Hold the roots, hold them tight. Them a go guide through darkest night. Children of the sun, together as one. Walk with the morning till setting sun. Children of the sun, hearts beat free.
One young hunter, 50 miles toward the hills. A new story soon begins. Rivers still aflow from the mountain to the waiting sea. Generation follow generation, and every ripple carry one memory. Come, let me walk with you water.
I'll probably try something else because I don't think maybe it's because
River rise high in a blue mountain rain, run through valley, come back again. Wash the stone till them smooth and bright. Carry the morning into the light. Pick me up on the riverside. Old man sit with him faithful guide. Woman feel calabash clean and cool. Nature teaching at every school. Bird them beard when the sun climb high. Cloud them drift through the open sky. Every current know if we go. Just set the path way long ago. The river feed both root and tree, and carry life to the endless sea. River of life, keep on flow. Carry with spirit wherever you go. River of life, clear and deep. Hold every promise you always keep. River of life, cool and free. Run from the mountain to the sea. River of life, guide we way from dawning light till closing day. Bambooing when the breeze pass by. Dragonfly dance beneath the sky. While young grow where the water bed. Every season bring new friend. Fish leap high in a morning glow. Following current soft and slow. Footprint fresh on the muddy shore. Tell all stories without one word. Every family gather near. Share them all this year by year. Sunrise up with evening flame. Every voice call your holy name. River is
life.
everything read from where you sow. River of life, keep on flow. Carry with spirit wherever you go. River of life, clear and deep. Oh, every promise you always keep. River of life, cool and free. Run from the mountain to the sea. River of life, guide me way from dawning light till closing day. Moonlight paint the river white. Silver ribbon through the night. Firefly lantern blink and gleam. Like stars float upon the stream. Children hear the elder speak. Wisdom strong yet humble meek. Every ripple teach one truth. Feed the elder shade the mountain watch from high above. Rock the valley up in love. Nature sing with one accord. Every heartbeat of the love. River never cease speaking. Show the people open water. Can't keep still too long. Yet every turn become one song. What passed today still leave a sign. In deep in your time, they'll remember every face, every blessing, every grace. On the river, quietly know. More footsteps soon ago. River of life, keep on flow. Carry with spirit wherever you go. River of life. Jamaican light, river of life, ancient stream, carry forward every dream. River of life, never cease, never dry, forever flow. Current breeze reply, one hunter stop and lift your mind. Deep in the forest, one trail unseen, one mystery still waiting. Tomorrow, people follow the mountain path.
Blue Mountain, stand before the dawn. Miswrap every peak like ancient road.
I never walked for like
The river point the way,
since February.
and the people follow.
So
Every footstep closer to the heart of Jamaica.
right now they just do school runs. But by their days club, and they do one problem.
Yeah,
Right, we'll finish right. We'll finish right. Cybersecurity.
under the blue mountain, cool breeze blow. Ancient pathway only elder know. Morning dew on every fern shine. Everything moving a job time. Under dreaded quiet feet, for his heart beats steady beat. Parrot call from cedar high. Blow them drift across the sky. While orchid bloom beside the snow. Every hillside feel like home. Clear spring bubble from the earth below. Feed the roots where tall trees grow. The mountain shelter every climb. Long before the mark of man. Under the blue mountain, where the cool breeze sing. Under the blue mountain, life begins to spring. Under the blue mountain, we will find the sea. Under the blue mountain, spirit walk free. Children gather where the stream run clear. Laugh and splash without no fear. Elder